Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the essentials so fixes land where they matter. Check your device model and OS, then open the browser and note its version. Once done, disable extensions or switch to an incognito window to remove add-on interference. Make sure to restart both the browser and the device. This clears transient glitches. Now that prerequisites are active, you're ready to adjust display settings and zoom behavior in the browser and system, which we'll tackle next. You'll next correct the two places most size issues live: browser zoom and system scaling. First, set browser zoom to 100% and remove any site-specific overrides. That ensures consistent rendering. Then go to system display settings and pick the native resolution for your monitor. This preserves aspect ratio and sharpness. If items are too large, adjust display scaling or DPI to a sensible value like 100 or finish by addressing deeper causes. Reset browser settings or disable experimental flags if you changed them earlier, because flags can force odd layouts. Next, update your graphics and display drivers and install any pending browser updates. Outdated drivers commonly distort scaling. Once updated, perform a hard refresh and test the same page in a different browser to confirm the problem is fixed. If sizes still look wrong, clear cache and cookies. Troubleshooting tip: if things break after a change, revert that change immediately and test again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.